Welcome to Bike Lab. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting updates of the 2025 Royal Enfield Meteor 350. Known for its blend of classic styling and modern features, the Meteor 350 has been a popular choice for cruisers worldwide. Let's see what's new in this refreshed version. Updated design and styling. The 2025 Meteor 350 retains its iconic cruiser look but with subtle enhancements. The new model features refined bodywork with sleek curves, improved paint options and updated chrome accents. The design tweaks maintain its retro charm while offering a more premium feel, appealing to both traditional enthusiasts and modern riders. Enhanced performance and features. Under the hood, the Meteor 350 continues to feature the trusted 349cc air-cooled engine, but with improved tuning for better responsiveness and fuel efficiency. The 5-speed gearbox and smooth delivery of power ensure a relaxed yet enjoyable ride, whether you're cruising through the city or on a long highway journey. Upgraded technology. One of the standout upgrades for the 2025 Meteor 350 is its improved tech package. The Meteor now comes with a more advanced Tripper navigation system, providing seamless integration with smartphones for turn-by-turn directions. The updated instrument cluster has also been redesigned for better visibility and user experience. Improved comfort and ride quality. The Royal Enfield has focused on enhancing rider comfort with better ergonomics in the 2025 Meteor. The seat is more cushioned and the suspension has been tweaked for a smoother ride over various terrains. Whether you're on long rides or short city commutes, the Meteor promises a more comfortable experience. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Royal Enfield Meteor 350 remains an affordable cruiser, with pricing expected to be slightly higher due to the added features and improvements. It will be available at Royal Enfield dealerships worldwide in the coming months. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 2025 Royal Enfield Meteor 350 brings subtle but significant upgrades, maintaining its position as one of the best entry-level cruisers on the market. With its improved design, enhanced tech features and a more comfortable ride, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to get into cruising. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Bike Lab for more updates on the latest motorcycles. See you next time.